In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Dropbox photos on mobile. If your Dropbox is filling up with images you no longer need, this quick walkthrough will help you clear space and keep things organized right from your phone. Start by opening the Dropbox mobile app. On the home screen, you'll see your recent files and photos. Take a moment to locate the specific photo you want to remove. It's worth double-checking the thumbnail so you're sure you've got the right one, especially if you have similar shots or duplicates. When you're confident it's the correct image, tap the photo to open it full screen. This gives you a clear look and helps you avoid deleting the wrong file. With the photo open, look toward the bottom of the screen for the delete option. Go ahead and tap delete. Dropbox will prompt you to confirm because deleting removes the file from your Dropbox account across all synced devices and folders. Tap delete again to confirm, and that's it. The photo is now deleted. It will disappear from your home view and from the folder where it lived, and it will no longer sync to other devices linked to your account. A bit of context to make this crystal clear: deleting from Dropbox affects the copy stored in the cloud. If the image exists only in Dropbox, it won't be accessible anywhere you use that account. If the photo is also saved locally in your phone's camera roll, the local copy may still remain. Dropbox doesn't delete photos from your device's Photos app. Also, if the picture was shared with others through a Dropbox folder or link, those people will lose access once you delete it from your account. If you change your mind right after deleting, don't panic. Dropbox keeps deleted files for a limited time, depending on your plan, which means you can usually restore them during that window. That safety net is helpful if you remove the wrong image by mistake. Here's a quick recap so you remember the flow. Open the Dropbox app, find and open the photo you want to remove, tap delete at the bottom, and confirm by tapping delete again. It really is that simple. Taking a few extra seconds to verify the photo before you delete can save you time later. If this walkthrough helped you clean up your Dropbox, give this video a like, subscribe to the channel for more quick how-tos, and tap the bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.